To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to opsified.biz. On the homepage, click Get Started. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, phone number, address, business name, business address, and create your own password. Once you've completed all the required fields, submit your registration. After successfully creating your account, you'll be redirected to the Sign In page. Sign in using the email address and password you registered. For your account security, a one-time password will be sent to your registered email address. Open your email, copy the OTP, then return to the sign-in page and enter the verification code. This step verifies the device you're using. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Opsified dashboard, where you can begin setting up your business with the Setup Plan features. The first module available is Product. In Product Catalog, you can add and manage up to 100 products. Simply create your product entries and organize your inventory with ease. In Inventory Control, you can update and manage your existing products, including editing product information and maintaining inventory records. You also have access to product categories, where you can organize your products into categories for better management and easier navigation. Next is the Services module. In Service Catalog, you can add and manage the services your business offers, making it easier to keep your service list organized. The Client Directory allows you to add and manage your customers. You can quickly create guest customer records for your clients. In Team Members, you can create staff accounts and assign each member to their corresponding department, helping you manage your organization efficiently. You can also explore the Service Terminal or Point of Sale. Here you can simulate the sales process by adding products and services to the cart and proceeding to the checkout page. You may fill out the checkout information to familiarize yourself with the workflow. However, checkout transactions cannot be completed while using the Setup Plan, making it a great way to practice and experience the system before subscribing. Lastly, Expense Categories lets you create and organize your business expense categories, making expense tracking more structured as your business grows. These setup features allow you to build your business profile, organize your products and services, manage your team and customers, and prepare your operations before subscribing to additional modules. Continue exploring Opsified and discover how it can help simplify your business operations.